Fun 290. Today we're going to be opening up this remote control ravenous T-Rex and infrared charging triceratops. Let's open up this infrared charging triceratops first. This looks so awesome. Let's open it up and check it out. So here he is. What's really cool is he has a remote control. And he can walk too. And you can also press aside if you don't want to use the remote control. Now let's open up this remote control ravenous T-Rex. Let's open this toy up and check it out. Okay, let's see him walk. Okay, now the Triceratops and the T-Rex are gonna battle. Ready, go! Looks like the T-Rex won. Aw man, I can't believe I'm locked up in this jail. Don't worry, I got backup coming.
What sort of backup, Joker?
Whoa, what was that noise? Whoa, Joker! You got dinosaurs working for you? Well, Batman has animals working for him. So I created some robotic dinosaurs. But how are these things gonna get us out of this jail? Oh, you'll see. Now let's ride these dinosaurs to freedom.
Hold it right there, Joker.
Ah, Batman. I knew you'd be showing up. Get him, dinosaur.
These dinosaurs look really big. My best bet is to get Joker and the other guy off of them first. Whoa!
No matter. The dinosaurs will still defeat you, Batman.
Gotta think of something quick. Wait a minute. These are remote controlled. There must be somebody controlling the controls. Where are they? There they are. Maybe if I can just... There. These dinosaurs won't be hurting anyone else. What do we do now, boss?
Run! Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, you're awesome, and Jesus loves you very much. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.